Hey, what's going on? Aaron Chen here. If you're watching this video right now, you're probably doing a bit of research on YouTube about how to make money with Clickbank without a website, step by step. Okay, so over the next few minutes, I'm going to explain whether this is really possible or not, and I'm really going to open your eyes, all right? So if this is the first time you're watching one of my videos, I'm always coming out with content that would teach you how to build a more profitable business on the internet, so you can consider subscribing at any time. And at any time, you can also get my affiliate marketing and actually Clickbank marketing six-figure strategies by clicking the link directly in the description box below. You can check it out at any time, okay? So I want to show you something that will literally blow your mind, all right? Now, you're searching for how to, build Clickbank, do a lot of sales on Clickbank successfully without a website. Well, unfortunately, I'm sorry, but you can't do that. It's impossible, okay? Because in order for you to be successful at Clickbank, you have to build some sort of website. Now, building a website is not like it was 5 or 10 years ago. Okay, 5 or 10 years ago, it was difficult. You had to understand HTML code, you had to hire a coder to build a website for you. But in this day and age, right, 2019, 2020, 2021, you don't really need to understand any coding in order to build a website. It's actually very easy. You just have to access the right tools, you do a lot of drag and dropping, and that's pretty much it, okay? But I want to explain to you right now that in order for you to do this successfully, in order to sell Clickbank products or do any sort of affiliate marketing or digital product selling successfully, you need a website, okay? So the fact that you're here trying to search for that information tells me that you don't really understand how this works. So I want to tell you that right from the start. It is impossible to sell Clickbank products successfully without a website, okay? But I'm going to show you in this video how simple and easy it really is, okay? Now, I want to show you something that's very interesting, and it's important for you to see this, okay? So I'm just going to show you this on my computer. Now, what I do a lot of the time, and I hope you can see this, is I survey my list, okay? So this is basically how much are you currently earning in your business, okay? So these are the people that I've surveyed, right? And you can see that most people that I've surveyed, in fact, I don't know if you can see the responses there. Let me try and zoom in on it. Right, you see that percentage there? It says 81 and 10%, right? So these are people who have made less than $100 is 81%, okay? And people that have made less than $1,000 is about 11%. So a total of 91% of people online, okay, have made less than $1,000 inside of their business. Now, the reason why 91% of people that I've surveyed have earned less than $1,000 on the internet, whether it's through Clickbank or selling digital products or whatever it is because they don't understand how to do it properly, all right? And they have this, thing in their head, like you probably, because you're researching it right now, where they're trying to find the easy way to make money online, okay? Now, unfortunately, if you're trying to make money through Clickbank without a website, for me, that is the easy way to try and get out of it. And unfortunately, there's no such thing. That's why you're still struggling to make money on Clickbank. Does that make sense? Okay? So I'm sorry to give you this hard message today, but what you're looking for does not exist, all right? In order for you to sell successfully anything, it doesn't matter whether it's on Clickbank or JVZoo or Warrior Plus, and I'll show you this in a second, you must be able to create a wrapper around whatever you're selling. So if this is your Clickbank product, right? So understand this, right? All Clickbank is Clickbank is a marketplace that will allow you to choose lots and lots of different affiliate marketing products to sell. That's all it is, okay? So on Clickbank, when you go there, it's a marketplace. You can go there and choose literally thousands of different digital products in hundreds of niche markets, whether it's dog training or lead generation or internet marketing or weight loss. You can find a product there and then you can resell it yourself. That's all it is, okay? Now, in order to do it successfully, you have to have a website, because if you send people directly to your Clickbank offer, which means you don't have a website, people aren't gonna buy, okay? People just don't buy like that anymore. Now, if this was back like, in 2009, 2005, like, 10, 15 years ago, yes, it would have been simple because on the internet, there were very, very few offers at the time, right? But in this day and age, everyone and their pet goldfish has seen an offer on the internet, okay? And so that's why people are being bombarded by all these different offers. So in order for you to generate a sale, you have to do a lot more than just send traffic or leads to your Clickbank offers. You're not gonna make sales that way, all right? And unfortunately, a lot of people teach that on the internet. They teach you to just send traffic to your offer, and that's why you don't make any sales, okay? So unfortunately, you're gonna have to build a website. Okay, you're gonna have to build what I call a wrapper around your Clickbank offer. So if this is your Clickbank offer, you have to build a wrapper around it, okay, which is your website, all right, so that people don't see the Clickbank offer directly. You have to create your own website. They have to see you first, and then after they see your stuff and you're branding you, then do you only recommend the Clickbank offer, and that's when people actually see it, if that makes sense, okay? Now, I know that you're here to research Clickbank specifically, right? But understand that Clickbank is one of many, many, many affiliate marketplaces that you can actually choose. So I'm gonna show you again on my computer. Just give me 1 second. Let me show you here. So, okay, can you see that? So what I've done is I've actually searched for, let me see. Where is it? Okay. Top info product affiliate marketplaces, right? And you can see here that these are a list of, there's a whole bunch here, right? There's Walmart, which is not necessarily an info product, but there's Clickbank, there's JVZoo, there's Warrior Plus, right? There's a lot on there. So Clickbank is not the only affiliate marketplace, right? VigLink, affiliate window, and I could click in here. I'm not going to right now, but understand that Google is very, very powerful. So whatever you search for on Google, you can find it. And then you can kind of do research for yourself, okay? So don't think that Clickbank is the only marketplace in the world or online where you can, learn to find a lot of products. There's a lot of different marketplaces out there, and it's very, very simple to just use Google to do this research and then find out what the affiliate marketplaces are, okay? Now, look, if you're here to learn how to do this step by step, because obviously that's what you were searching for, right? I want to show you how to do that, and you're going to learn how to do that very simply. All you have to do is just click on the link in the description box, right? Opt into my website, and I'll send you the information that will show you how to sell any product that you want on Clickbank or JVZoo or Warrior Plus or any digital marketplace, right? And you're going to learn how to do it properly. Okay, so the step-by-step is when you click below, and you can get access to that information at any time. But what I want to share with you, again, over the next couple of minutes is just to understand why so many people are failing in this industry. Why is it that 91% of people that I've surveyed, or this is in general, okay? Even though I did survey quite a small part of my list, this is just the general marketplace in the world. 91% of people earn less than, whatever it was, just let me double check the number for accuracy. 81% earn less than $100, and 11% earn less than $1,000. That's very little. If you're earning less than $1,000 online, you basically have no idea what you're doing. Because most of the time, when people make less than $1,000 per month on the internet, they're doing it because they're lucky. Okay, they don't really know what they're doing. How do you, they don't know that if they did this step, they get this result. They're not at that stage yet, okay? And so even for me, it took me a long, long time to figure this stuff out. In fact, it took me 8 years to figure out, if I did this, how do I generate a sale like that, right? And so, you're looking for an answer on how to do it without a website. Well, I'm telling you right now that you can't, okay? It's impossible. So if you want to make sales via Clickbank without a website, unfortunately, you're not going to be able to do that, okay? But if you're okay with that and you understand that you do need a website, I want to explain to you that it's not that complicated. Because again, in this day and age, there are lots of tools that you can use where you can just drag and drop. You don't need to do any coding, so it's actually very simple, but you have to be willing to create a website and create a wrapper around the products that you promote on Clickbank, if that makes sense. Now, if you're okay with that, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, okay? And you can just do that by clicking the link below. Now, let me explain why that works, okay? Because there are so many promotions on the internet, you have to do something that I've spoken about in a lot of my videos. You have to do something called indirect marketing, okay? So you have to indirectly market yourself before you market any digital product online, right? Because if you don't market yourself, then you look like every single other opportunity promoter on the internet, right? And because there are so many promotions going on right now, I mean, people are being bombarded. Think about it, right? When you hang out on Facebook, or you hang out on Instagram, or you're on YouTube, you just see offer after offer after offer, right? When you're scrolling down your Facebook newsfeed, you're just constantly seeing promotions, right? And that's the thing. Every single person is promoting Clickbank offers, JVZoo offers, affiliate marketing offers. So your audience is being bombarded by promotions every single day, right? And these are people that are promoting the opportunities directly, okay, without a website. Now, what happens when they do that is your sales, your conversions, they're very, very low. They're like 0.5%. Let me do some calculations for you so you see how bad this is. And this is why so many people are not making any money with Clickbank, right? Now, if somebody sees your offer 100 times, okay? 100 times, yeah? The conversion rate, the average conversion rate is 0.5%, okay? Times 0.5%, which means that you will, out of every 100 people that you show this opportunity to, only half a person will buy your product. Does that make sense, right? Now, in order for you to get 100 people to see your product, you have to drive traffic. You have to drive paid traffic most of the time, okay? Now, there's free traffic online, but let's just do paid traffic because most people, it's the easiest way to get people to see your stuff, right? Now, you have to pay for that traffic, by the way, okay? Now, on average, if to generate a lead on the internet, it's gonna cost you about $2, okay? So if it costs you $2 and you send 100 people to your website, it's going to cost you $200, okay, in order to get 100 people to see your website, right? Now, if only one person buys, the average cost of a Clickbank product is about $30, okay? So $200, right, minus your $30 in revenue, it's not even $30, actually it should be 15 because you only got half a person, right? So let's do that. So 200 minus 15 is $185. That means that you're still down $185 because you had to spend $200 to get 100 people to see your product. Does that make sense? Okay? And this is why, my friend, most people that are trying to promote Clickbank products are failing because they don't understand that the conversion rate is so low if you promote Clickbank products without a website. Does that make sense, right? So if you really want me to show you how to promote Clickbank products without a website, I can, but you're not gonna make any money, unfortunately. You're gonna be running your business at a loss every single month. And a lot of people do this, but they burn through their savings and then they realize that it's simply impossible to be profitable by doing that directly. Okay, I hope that makes sense. So I hope that this video was like an eye-opener for you because a lot of people don't understand that that's actually a problem, okay? A lot of people think like, okay, I wanna hide behind my keyboard. I'm gonna become like, I'm gonna hide behind my keyboard. I'm gonna try and do Clickbank affiliate marketing without showing my face, without trying to create a wrapper, without building a website, without branding myself. I'm telling you right now that it is impossible to do it profitably, okay? You can do it, but you're going to be running your business at a loss every single month, okay? So again, I hope that makes sense, right? Because basically it costs you money to get people to see your products, okay? And because people are just being bombarded by opportunity, I'm just repeating myself right now, but I just want to hit this point home, right? Because people are getting bombarded, you're going to look the same as every other affiliate marketer out there. So in order for you to stand out, you have to literally raise your hand and you have to be different. And the only way that you can be different is you need to brand yourself, okay? Now, if you want to learn how to brand yourself, if you want to learn how to create a wrapper around your Clickbank products, if you want to learn how to stand out from the competition, if you want to learn how to build a mountain so that you're literally standing up there and shouting at the top of your voice, hey, I'm different, and get people to notice you, I want to teach you how to do that. Okay, so before I teach you how to do that, let me know in the comments below what you think. Okay, does that make sense? Okay, I hope you're having an aha moment right now and you're understanding that you can't build a successful Clickbank business or sell any affiliate products online without a website. You need a website, unfortunately, okay? So I know you're searching for a way to do it without a website, but you can't do it profitably, okay? So let me know in the comments below if you have any questions about that. If you got some aha moments, I'd like to know what your aha moments are, all right? And if you got some value from this video today, I would appreciate some thumbs ups, okay? Now, if you want to learn how to do this properly, if you want to learn how to create a wrapper, if you want to learn how to brand yourself, if you want to learn how to be profitable selling Clickbank products or any other digital products on the internet, I want to teach you how to do that, okay? So like I said, if you want to get the step-by-step, and you can get the step-by-step, it's very simple. All you have to do is click the link right below in the description box, okay? Enter your best email address, and I'm going to send you a video that's going to show you in 7 steps how to do this properly, all right? So listen, I hope you enjoyed this video today. I hope you learned a lot from this video, and I hope that if you're serious about building a very profitable ClickBank business or a very successful information product selling business, affiliate marketing selling business, you get it out of your head that you don't need a website, because you do, okay? You need a website, you need to brand yourself, you have to do this properly, all right? You have to build a proper infrastructure, otherwise don't do this at all, because you're not gonna ever be profitable in your business. I hope that makes sense, okay? Take care, and I hope to speak to you soon. All the best.